The Epson Perfection 4490 photo scanner delivers very sharp, detailed images thanks to its high optical resolution and strong dynamic range that preserves subtle shadow detail. Its built-in film adapter and included holders make it a practical choice for digitizing 35mm slides, negatives, and medium format strips at home. Hardware-based dust and scratch reduction for film noticeably cleans up old frames, so you spend far less time retouching in software. One-touch color restoration is especially useful for reviving faded family photos, bringing back contrast and saturation without much manual tweaking. The integrated transparency unit with its own light source produces even illumination across the entire frame, which helps avoid banding or uneven exposure in scans. Bundled software for image editing and optical character recognition, combined with fast USB connectivity and cross-platform support, makes this scanner a versatile tool for both photo and document work.